Quick, love
All
you.
right, bye. Wait, what? Did you just say love you?
Yeah, love you.
I've trained you better than that. You forgot the
Trained?
I.
What?
I love you? You didn't want to add the I?
Love you, same thing.
No, it's not the same thing. Love you is something you say to your bros and your family sometimes. I would be what you say to the love of your life. I love you.
Love you is the same thing.
No, it's not. It means totally different things.
I'm not
It's
gonna
like
tell my
less
bro love you.
sincere.
I'll be like, peace out, bro.
Oh, you never say love you, bro? You don't say I love you, bro. Love you, bro. That's what you're just saying to me. I'm not one of your bros, Wolfie. I am your girlfriend. I expect an I love you.
You're supposed to be my best friend too. It's the same thing. I love you, love you. You know that I love you, and that's what matters. It doesn't matter.
I don't know. What if I go in the store and then you never see me again? Or are you going to remember that the last thing you said was love you?
No, I'm not gonna remember that. I'm gonna remember that you're hot.